may isang Team Bibe na lalapit kina Kim and Pao para ibulong yung ating phrase na huhulaan. Okay, pili tayo ng mga fans na gustong sumali. Okay, let's go! Alright, what's your name?
Baji.
Baji, let's go! Si Kim, hulaan mo yung kasabihin ni Kim. I-lip read mo na ha, i-lip read mo. Ready? Go!
Copy po!
Very good! Next naman, dito, saan to? What's your name?
Maya.
Maya, si Paolo naman ang huhulaan mo. Okay, ready? Go!
Hello, Melo. Hello, babe.
Hello, babe! Yes, correct. Dito naman, sino? What's your name? AJ! Kim? Ready ka na, Kim? Next word. Ready? Go!
Boss Mom Cute!
Yan! Boss Mom Cute! Okay, next. What's your name? Rosel. Si Paolo huhulaan mo. Ready? Go! Perfect! Ang bilis! Ito. What's your name?
Sa Hello, Melo.
Ano na? Hello, Mel. Hello ka rin ako dun, Be. Alain. Si Kim ang huhulaan mo. Okay, ready? Go!
Ikaw lang, sapat na.
Yan! Ikaw lang, sapat na. Dito sa harap, dito sa harap, dito sa harap. Okay, what's your name? Juanito! Si Paolo ang huhulaan mo. Okay, ready? Go! Kapakasal mo ako? Mary B? Mary B!
Dapat yes na lang sinagot.
Here, sa harap, it's harap. Ito ay ate. What's your name?
Noemi.
Noemi! Okay, hulaan mo si Kim. Ako, medyo mahirap-hirap na Noemi. Go!
No mo, Sarah.
Yay! And last one. Okay, what's your name? Basha. Si Paolo, huhulaan mo. Okay, ready?
Mahirap pala.
Medyo mahirap to. Go!
Smack. Quick. Smack. Quick. Quick. Smack.
Yan! Swak, smack, quick, smack. Okay.
Hindi ko rin alam yan.
I know. Napakahirap ng phrase na yun.
Team Nation.
Thank you sa mga nakisali sa ating game. Pao, Kim, may hinandang fan video para sa inyo.
Wow.
I know. Turn your heads dito sa ating screen. Panoorin niyo yung hinanda ng mga fans para sa inyo.
Well, I think View changed everybody's life because it's always leaving us wanting more after each episode and makes us feel all the kilig and happiness that you can't take away and making us stay up late waiting for the midnight drop of each episode.
Every episode talaga inaabangan ko yung What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Hindi ako natutulog hanggat hindi ko napapanood yung mga new episodes na ilalabas nila. And I'm happy to say na I'm very proud to be part of the Kim Pao family. Kasi talaga iba yung nabibigyan niya ng joy sa akin. Kapag stress ako sa work or stress sa bahay, manood lang ako ng show, nagbibigay sa akin talaga ng good vibes yun.
Well, the Philippine adaptation of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim captivates the hearts of the viewers as View combines the two best actors, or I can say great actors of the Philippine industry, and that is Kim and Paolo. They really give the viewers the best experience of Asian rom-com, romantic comedy. So all the cast contributes their best to make What's Wrong with Secretary Kim so engaging and realistic. So each episode actually it's created to capture Philippine culture, and there's no dull moment in every 20 minutes of viewing time. So I really enjoyed the show.
I think Kim Pao phenomenon and magical is due to their natural chemistry. They didn't have to tell us anything. Their words, their actions, actions, it's already a confirmation. Although it's a delusional, I'm speaking in a delusional manner, that it's confirmation of what they have, unfortunately.
For me, ito kasi What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, isa po talaga ito sa nagpapakalma sa akin. As in, I mean, syempre, pagod tayo sa work, puyat, tapos minsan may problema pag dumarating. Alam mo yun? Naging stress reliever ko siya, nakapag-deal ng anxiety ko. Kasi pag pinanood niyo po ito siya, pagkatapos yung panoorin, ang gaan-gaan sa feeling, naka-smile ka, kinikilig.
With Secretary Kim, talagang super kilig na parang nireview ko yung world ko as a person. Nireview ko yung pagiging ako, yung pagiging happy person ko. Parang it brought myself back, my happy person as I am. So, thank you so much, View. Thank you so much, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. I love Kim Pao. I love View adaptation of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Lalo na yung ending. Oh my gosh, parang gusto ko na mag-renewal of vows na kami mag-asawa dahil sa inyo. Doon sa beach na yon. Saan ba yon? Reveal!
What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? Kasi dahil sa show na to, sobrang busog kami sa love, happiness, kilig, lahat yata ng gusto naramdaman ko na dito. And every episode, may matututunan ka talaga. Sobrang mamimiss ko magpuyat, makapag-computer party, every 12 midnight. Ayun, thank you. Especially to my mains, Kim Pao, kasi kayo talaga yung naging source of happiness ko. Marami kayong napasaya. Nakakalungkot kasi tapos na. Thank you so much. And we love you, Kim Pao.
Grabe! Anong reaction ni Kim? Microphone please. Reaction nyo sa yung napanood na fan video.
Nakakataba ng puso. Hindi namin in-expect na malaki yung impact sa buhay nyo, sa happiness ninyo. At mas nabibigyan po ng kahulugan yung mga ginagawa namin kapag nakakita po ako ng mga ganitong video. So, kung nagpapasalamat po kayo sa Kim Pao at sa palabas na What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, kami po personal nagpapasalamat sa inyo dahil kayo po talaga yung naging inspirasyon namin. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi rin po ganun magiging successful tong show at hindi rin po ganun magiging kalakas yung drive namin para gawin tong palabas na ito. Salamat po sa inyo.
Nice, Pao. Kimi?
Yes, again, maraming salamat. No words can describe kung gaano kami kasaya ngayon sa pagtanggap ninyo. Mapa-online man yan, face-to-face or mall show or trending party or kahit na ano, basta may Kim Pao, nandyan po kayo para supportahan at mahalin kami. Kaya we're very thankful and grateful sa suporta na binibigay po ninyo. And masaya kami na na-inspire namin kayo. The same way kung paano nyo din kami po na-inspire sa trabaho at sa araw-araw. Again, thank you so much to View. Maraming salamat for giving us What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, to our directors, our staff, co-actors, sa lahat na bumubuo ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Maraming salamat po.
At lalong-lalo na po sa inyo, sa mga sumubaybay. Salamat po.
Let's have a photo. Kim and Paolo. Ito lang, mag-group photo lang tayo. Tayo na kayo dyan. Pakita na kayo, di ba? Smile, everybody. Mabawas daw ng ilaw. Mabawas daw ng konti ng ilaw. Thank you. Yeah. Alright, and then let's call in the rest of the cast. Jake, Franco, Romney, Kai, Jillian, Ives.
Thank you so much again, everybody.
Brian, Bean, Kauri. Okay, isang group photo na ulit with the rest of the cast. Kim, Pao, Jake is here, Kim Won-shik is here. Grabe, this is the family of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Pwede Okay, pataas daw ng mga ng mga fans na binigay ng view.
Okay, thank you so much.
Ayan, one more with the view fans.
Thank you.
One more daw po with the view fans. Pakitaas daw po yung mga fans na binigay ng view. Let's go! Yan. There you go!